Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video is about how to fix Windows 11 and 10 stuck in airplane mode. Just follow all the steps. Try looking at your laptop closely and find any physical switch or any key having a network icon and just try to press it. Or press FN plus key network to disable airplane. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, leave comment and share it with others so they can benefit too.